people, welcome back to our channel, and today I am here with my sisters Varsha and Raksha. Today we have done a festive makeover look on both of them. Let's see how we have got that look done. So hope you guys enjoyed this Diwali safe and sound. Let's get into the video. So let's begin with the concealer. So I'm going to conceal her dark spots or acne spots just like that. So we are going to dab it with the beauty blender. This has covered most of our scars. So next on we'll go with the foundation. We are using the Fit Me foundation and it is in the number 238. So again we are using the same beauty blender. So I'll just make dots on a face first and then we'll blend that. Excuse the background noise guys because it is Diwali here. Diwali all around India. So yes, so we are done with the foundation step. So let's see what's next. So we have a concealer here from Photo Focus. So we are going to use this concealer around her eyes. So again we are going to dab it with the beauty blender. We are using the tip part of the blender. This will work as a base for even the eyeshadow. So we do not have to use any other base. So concealer is also done. So next we'll do the eyebrows and it is from Wet n Wild. So and it is in the shade medium brown. So we'll brush it off. So the next step we are going to use some powder to bake a face. So we are using under her eyes and only in the T-zone area. So the eyebrows is also done. Next step is the eyeshadow. So we are using a Sivana brown palette and based on our blouse color we are going to go with a lighter brown first. Now we'll blend in with the remaining colors. So I am making the inner point light and keeping the outer ends dark. So I am going to use the darkest color to our outer creases. Next we are going to go with the shimmer color. And we are not going to apply it here because we'll manage that part with kajal. So next comes kajal and this is from Plum. Open your eyes. So I am going to apply the same thing on the upper lid as well. So the technique is you will just have to close your eyes. Open, keep it in between, close your eyes and rub. Open, open. Yes. Yes. So this part is done. So if you want you can just go again with the darker color only at the edge. Close your eyes. Okay. And dust it. Yes. So next we are going to use, this is an Dazzler eyeliner, so we are going to use this eyeliner here. Close your eyes. And next we are going to use this Maybelline mascara. So open your eyes. Open it. We are done with one eyes, but just see the difference when you do this. Close. So once you use the eyelash color, your eyelash will automatically be lifted up, so it will give effect of false eyelashes. So we are going to use this ADS golden copper color pencil, copper color liner under our eyes. This is done, and so we are using the same copper color from Sivana palette and just blending in this golden color. So whatever is excessive, you can just remove it with the blender itself. So our eye makeup is completely done. So let's move on to the contouring part. So we are using the same palette and we are using the darker color here. So I'll go with the brown. And a little bit here to enhance the jawline and a little bit here. So we are going to blend it. Yes. So let's blend this. So we have not done the contouring for nose part, so we'll do the nose bridge now. So we are using the same palette again. So I am using whatever is left to make the shape here as well. So the contouring is done, guys. So now a little more blending is required on this side. Done. Next we are going to do our lips now. So this is also from ADS, the outliner. So we are using color which is matching to a sari. She has very small lips, so outlining would make it look little plumpier. So we are using Lakme 925 and it is in the Rose Touch. It is in the color Rose Touch. So this teardrop shapes helps us to go with the inner corners as well. Yes. So we are going to use this Maybelline Color Show in the shade Midnight Pink as well to dab in the center, and this is the exact match to a saree. So we are left with one last step, which is shimmer. So I am going to use this golden color as she is already. Yes. So yes guys, so yes, so it's done. So one last thing remaining is Bindi and her hairstyle and her earring. So we'll do that and we'll show you the final results, guys.